था कि भारत को रिटेलिएट करना था, अनिवार्य था कि भारत को जो हमने किया था अनिवार्य था कि जो हमने किया था 2016 में और 2019 में हम उससे कहीं आगे जाके दर्जे की कार्रवाई करें जिससे पाकिस्तान को तकलीफ हो। ठीक है। और पिछली बार जब हमने बालाकोट पे एयर स्ट्राइक करी थी, 80 किलोमीटर अंदर घुस के हमने कोई जो है 200 टेररिस्ट मार डाले थे बालाकोट के ट्रेनिंग कैंप में। प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि वो आबादी से इतना दूर था कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसी ने न देखा, और ये पाकिस्तानियों ने इसका पूरा फायदा उठा के बकना शुरू किया कि साहब कौए मारे, चिड़िया मारी, गौरैया मार दी, वगैरह वगैरह। अब जरा देख लेना, 9 टारगेट आर्मी और एयरफोर्स ने मिलकर हिट करी है, 9 टारगेट्स। और वो आप सब जानती हैं, जो कि मुजफ्फरनगर से शुरू होकर कोई पहली 4 तो मेरे ख्याल अपनी पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में है, और उसके पश्चात फिर जो है वो सियालकोट, मुरीद के भावलपुर तक वो जाती हैं। ये टारगेट जो कि जैश ए मोहम्मद और लश्कर ए तैयबा के जो मेन हेडक्वार्टर थे, राइट। फर्स्ट क्लास ऑपरेशन रहा है। इट हैज बीन अ पिन पॉइंट ऑपरेशन, absolutely marvelously executed. Kudos to the Prime Minister, starting from the Prime Minister to all the people involved and to the armed forces who have done a superb job. The Army and the Air Force have carried out joint strikes. It is assessed, or we'll be hearing at the 10:30 briefing the full details, but it is assessed that we have used the Su-31Is armed with BrahMos cruise missiles, which were fired from one side of the border to hit deep into Bahawalpur in Pakistan. It is in Pakistan, Punjab. And also we've used possibly the Rafales with their Spice Jet cruise missiles, French cruise missiles, 400 to 500 kilometers range. BrahMos is about 400 kilometers range. And the Army possibly has used either the land-based BrahMos cruise missiles, or because of the shorter ranges, they may have possibly used the Smerch or the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers to hit very hard. We also have shorter range tactical missiles. We will get to know exactly what has been used. In a just war, your cause has to be just and your response has to be proportionate. So our cause is absolutely just. The whole world is with us, and it is a proportionate response, because in the first strike, Sindoor 1, we only hit the Pakistani terror training camps, the main headquarters, command and control nodes, and the main training centers, which have been around for decades. No jungle mein mor nacha kisi ne na dekha. No single service response. 2 services have combined to hit this, and the intelligence agencies have provided the precise targeting. And I believe the delay was because Pakistan was shuffling, trying to hide its terrorist minions. Shift them from here to there, mix them up with the families, mix them up with the burqa-clad, women, so that, they could go do a song and dance once they were hit and try and claim that only women and children, etc. have been killed. That is standard tactic. We've seen this in Ukraine. We've seen this with the Hamas, Hezbollah and the others. They hide their armories in their hospitals, in their mosques, schools, etc. So I'm quite sure Pakistan will try and come up with similar excuses, but the scale of the devastation is so damned apparent and obvious. It is there for the damn world to see, right? So have a look at it, Pakistan. See the smoke coming out of the ruins of the headquarters of the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed, right? And of course, bomb damage assessment is yet to be done. We will get to know who all in precise in leadership targets have been eliminated, the precise number of casualties. All that comes up with the bomb damage assessment. We'll have to listen into Pakistani radio networks and the other their mobile networks to get an idea of the scale of damage we have inflicted. Pakistan ISPR, they said at night that India had struck 6 group of targets and hit about clusters and hit about 24 individual targets. That's what the ISPR said. They said in retaliation they had shelled a brigade headquarter of the Indian Army and a post of the Indian Army. They had tried to hit on the LC. That's about all. Nothing. We have heard nothing about it so far. Now the world is awaiting Pakistan's response, Pakistan's retaliation. Yes.
But after the attack, the Pakistan army resorted to arbitrary firing. You see, there were ceasefire.
That's precisely what I said. They fired across the line of control, and they hit. They claim to have hit a brigade headquarter, and they claim to have hit a post, one of the posts on the line of control. We yet to get any confirmation.
With this attack, we see that Pakistan's true face is coming in front of the world. And do you see US and the other nations now standing in support of India?
You know, the amazing fact is that out of the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, all 4 out of 5 are with India, standing tall with India. You know, the United States has given us, sold to us on emergency basis, the Hawkeye system, with the help of which our Navy can track every single bloody ship operating in Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean region, IOR region. And Russia has, on an emergency basis, sold to us Igla-S, shoulder-fired surface-to-air missiles. You know, so and President Putin spoke to Prime Minister Modi and affirmed his support. And he said we must hit back and hit back hard, right? So India has taken the first retaliatory step. Now everything hinges upon what Pakistan will do in return. In 2019, last time around, they had done a swift retort, you know, because they were ready on the starter blocks for quite some time, and they had hit back almost immediately the very next day. So this time Pakistan will have to think 10 times before it does anything, and my advice to them would be to not target any military/civilian targets in India. Should they do so, it will provide us the entire justification for hitting back, and hitting back very hard at their military, their ISI, their command and control, the military command and control end of this entire terrorist ecosystem. It will give India the precise justification we need. So it has been a very controlled move by us, a very precise level of escalation. This is the first escalation ladder, and let us see how much gumption Pakistan has to go how many steps up the escalation ladder. I am not certain they'd like to go beyond the first, because they would court disaster. But if they still want to do that, they are welcome. India is ready with, has already executed Sindoor 1. It will be ready with Sindoor 2. I'm also given to understand that, you know, generally as they do, we are waiting for the final briefing. But I understand loitering ammunitions have also been used. Maybe we will not give out the full, our operational details very much in the first briefing. They'll come out gradually. But India is on the starter blocks and it is ready. It has very patiently designed its response. It has prepared methodically. It has wargamed the situation very well. You know, all 3 service chiefs, CDS, the NSA, the Raksha Mantri, the Prime Minister, they were all involved in this planning process. And India has done a superb job, a marvelous job. My salute to the armed forces who have raised India's stock in the committee of nations. You can't mess around with India. You don't mess around with our girls. आप उनका सिंदूर मांग से हटाएंगे तो आप जमीन से हट जाएंगे. We've had enough. We've had enough. 22 अप्रैल को व्यक्तिगत रूप पे मेरी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी थी और हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि अपने बच्चों ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन के साथ जाके कहीं मनाएंगे. वो सीन्स देख के इट वॉज हार्ट रेंडिंग. जिस तरह हमारी बच्चियां बिलख के रो रही थी. 6 दिन की शादी हुई नेवी के ऑफिसर की और उसकी वाइफ लाश के साथ सुन्न बैठी है, लिपट के रो रही है राश के साथ. और वो वाकया याद आता है जिसमें मंजुनाथ को उनकी वाइफ और लड़के के सामने मार डाला. और उस हिम्मत देखिए उस महिला की कि उन्होंने उस कुत्ते टेररिस्ट से कहा, अरे कुत्ते मेरे को भी मार डाल, मेरे बेटे को भी मार डाल, क्यों हमें अंधकार में जीने के लिए छोड़ दिया है, विधवा तो कर ही दिया है, मेरे को भी मार डाल. तो वो कहता है मोदी को बचाओ. पता चल गया मोदी का जवाब. यू गॉट इट. You deserve, you are asking for a kick and you will get one. And you will get several more if you dare to ask it beyond this. हमारी तरफ से खलास है. We have been just war में वो कहते हैं your cause must be just and your response must be proportionate. The way you fight must be just. So we have done precisely that. इससे ज्यादा just cause नहीं हो सकता. और हमने हुड़मती में वी हैवंट स्ट्रक बैक इमीडिएटली ऑन व्हाटएवर टारगेट दैट वी कुड गेट. बड़े पेशेंटली हमने टारगेट्स को ढूंढा है. वो छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे हरियल की तरह, पूरे पाकिस्तान में खाली कर रहे थे टेररिस्ट ट्रेनिंग कैंप. वी हैव ट्रैक्ड देम डाउन. इसीलिए वी हैव गॉन फॉर द टॉप लेवल टारगेट्स, हाईली विजिबल टारगेट. कि ना बांस रहेगा बांस, ना बजेगी बांसुरी. वो दूसरी पिछली बार जैसी बांसुरी की, कौए मारे, चिड़िया मारी, गौरैया मार दी. अरे गिन लो चिड़िया, गौरैये, कौए अब ना जाके. आपका 18 एकड़ की एस्टेट है वो भावलपुर में, इसकी जैश ए मोहम्मद की और दूसरी, और स्मोकिंग रूइन में पड़े. तो हमने टेक्नोलॉजी का बखूबी इस्तेमाल किया है. हमारी एयरफोर्स और आर्मी ने मिलकर हिट किया है. और अगर एस्केलेशन होती है, मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि हमारी नेवी भी इन्वॉल्व होगी, क्योंकि कुछ टेररिस्ट टारगेट बच गई हैं कराची की तरफ. तो आप हमको फेवर करिए, हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं. योर मूव पाकिस्तान. आसिफ मुनीर, you have been an idiot. You have put your country in massive trouble just to get one more extension. एक एक्सटेंशन तो आपको मिल चुकी, अब आप दूसरी चाह रहे. नहीं तो रिटायर होना चाहिए था कायदे से इनको अक्टूबर इस साल में. चिपक गए हैं कुर्सी से, ठीक है, और मुसीबत में है, अच्छी खासी मुसीबत में है. वहां पे इनको सारे ड्यूरेंट लाइन से, क्वेटा से, पेशावर से अपनी फॉर्मेशन लाके ईस्ट में लगानी पड़ी है हमारे बरखिलाफ. खाली हो गया है बलूचिस्तान, खाली हो गया है सिंधु देश, खाली हो गया है पश्तूनख्वा का इलाका. और वहां जो बलूच लिबरेशन आर्मी है उसने कलात का शहर और मंगोत्रा एक और शहर है उसको फ्री कर दिया, आजाद कर दिया. 7 तो मारे हैं इनके जो कॉन्वॉय शॉन्वॉय चल रहे हैं. और ये तो शुरुआत, क्योंकि वो भी खुंदक खाए हैं. तालिबान खुंदस खाई है कि बड़े धड़ल्ले से अपने F-16 लेके इन्होंने 2 अफगान गांवों के ऊपर हमला किया था तालिबान के अफगानिस्तान में, और 52 औरतें बच्चे मारे थे. तो वो भी बदला ढूंढ रहे हैं. इन्होंने जो अपने F-16 पसनी की तरफ लगाए हैं ना, बिल्कुल ड्यूरेंट लाइन के पास, या तो तालिबान अफगानिस्तान की या तहरीके तालिबान, वो उनको ठोक दे.